And the Rock Andorra Showtime Lady go right for the lead. Then comes Hepburn. Then running by the rail is entry number 2, Lady Diamond, moving up. Don Alejandro together with Dugo, Anak Papato. Then running on the outside, Pay to See by the rail is Bustilios. Next in line is Bahala Na. Nose West comes next, then on the outside, Bootlegs, and trailing the group is Hockey Hawk as they round towards the last 600. Showtime Lady Don Alejandro now takes up the running on the outside and moving up Perusi together with Bustilios as they race to the last 450. Don Alejandro still leading the field. Bustilios throwing a challenge on the outside and Faye to say with the last 250 more to run. Don Alejandro still leading the field. Bustilios moving up on the outside. Don Alejandro, Bustilios over Don Alejandro. And finally, Bustilios, Don Alejandro. Close between Showtime Lady and Pay to See. Then comes Lady Diamond and Nose West for your Super Sais.